This video is for educational purposes only. Ethical hacking is a skill that must be used responsibly. Never use these skills to cause harm or break the law. Every platform discussed in this video is intended for legal and ethical use only. Always have permission before testing any system, and remember, with great power comes great responsibility. They say knowledge is power, but in the wrong hands, power can be dangerous. Every day, hackers break into systems, steal data, and cause chaos. But what if you could learn their tricks, not to destroy, but to protect? Welcome to the top 5 websites to practice ethical hacking. These platforms don't just teach you how to hack. They teach you how to think like a hacker, so you can stop one. But don't just click links and expect miracles. Every site we're about to show you has helped turn curious minds into professional cybersecurity experts, and many of them are 100% free. Let's dive in. 1. TryHackMe. Imagine if learning cybersecurity was like playing a video game, missions, ranks, achievements. That's TryHackMe. TryHackMe is an interactive platform designed for both complete beginners and seasoned hackers. What makes it powerful is its gamified learning experience. You're not just reading text and watching videos. You're breaking into simulated machines, solving real-world hacking puzzles, and progressing through levels. From network scanning to privilege escalation, every lesson feels like a real-world operation. The best part? There's a free tier that offers plenty of hands-on labs. Whether you're starting with Introduction to Cybersecurity or jumping into Red Team challenges, TryHackMe makes it fun and deeply practical. It's like learning hacking from inside the Matrix. 2. Hack the Box. If TryHackMe is a training ground, Hack the Box is the battlefield. Hack the Box offers more advanced, real-world scenarios where you're given a vulnerable machine and a single goal: break in. You'll start by hacking your way into the platform itself. Yes, the entry test is a hack. Once inside, you'll face hundreds of machines, challenges, and CTFs that mirror real-world systems. Unlike many beginner-friendly platforms, Hack the Box forces you to think critically, research, and piece together solutions like a true hacker. It's the closest thing to real-world hacking without ending up in jail. And yes, Hack the Box has a free community tier. It's perfect for sharpening your skills without spending a dime. 3. Portswigger Web Security Academy, 100% free. Now let's talk about web hacking, the kind that takes down websites, steals cookies, and hijacks sessions. Portswigger Web Security Academy is the holy grail of web application security. Created by the same people behind Burp Suite, this platform offers fully interactive labs where you can exploit vulnerabilities like SQL injection, XSS, CSRF, and more. The best part? It's 100% free, no subscriptions, no paywalls. Each lab comes with detailed explanations, hints, and practical exploits. It's like sitting next to a mentor who walks you through every technique, every attack, every fix. If your goal is to become a web security expert, this is your dojo. Hey guys, if you've enjoyed this video to this point, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. These videos take quite a lot of time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. On this channel, I upload videos about ethical hacking and hacking documentaries like famous hacks, hackers and groups, criminal hacking, and many more. 4. Cybrary. What if you want a structured curriculum? Something that prepares you for real certifications like CH or CompTIA Security Plus. Enter Cybrary, a platform offering professional-level cybersecurity training built for aspiring professionals. While some content is paid, Cybrary also offers a free learning tier that includes courses on ethical hacking, malware analysis, threat intelligence, and more. Each course is taught by industry experts, with video lectures, quizzes, and hands-on tasks. Cybrary is perfect if you want to turn hacking into a career path, not just a side hobby. Their ethical hacking course is especially popular, giving you solid foundations in penetration testing and red teaming. Cybrary makes the leap from hobbyist to professional feel possible. 5. Over-the-wire war games, 100% free. Before there were fancy graphics and gamified platforms, there was over-the-wire. This site is old-school, raw, text-based, and brutally real. But don't be fooled. Over-the-wire's war games are legendary in the hacking world. You start with Bandit, a beginner-friendly game that teaches you how to use the Linux command line. But as you progress, you'll face challenges involving buffer overflows, network sniffing, crypto, and more. It's like being dropped into the command line of a real system and told to survive. Over the Wire is completely free and widely respected among cybersecurity veterans. If you want to build your foundation from the ground up, this is where you start. These aren't just websites, they're training grounds. Each one has helped shape thousands of ethical hackers, cybersecurity analysts, penetration testers, and even bug bounty hunters. But remember, the internet doesn't need more hackers. It needs ethical hackers. So take what you learn, practice responsibly, build, break, and fix, but always with permission. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Which platform are you starting with? Or did we miss your favorite one? Until next time, make sure to subscribe for more.